Hello, lovely people, and welcome to our little slice of paradise. Today, I am beyond excited to take you on a journey through the wonderful world of backyard gardening. We're going to explore some amazing ways to maximize your vegetable harvest and turn your garden into a thriving oasis of deliciousness. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation of any successful garden, the soil. Think of it as the lifeblood of your plants, providing essential nutrients and support for healthy growth. To ensure your soil is in tip-top shape, consider adding compost, aged manure, or organic matter to enrich its fertility. Healthy soil equals happy plants and a bountiful harvest, the joy of harvesting. There's something truly magical about plucking ripe, juicy vegetables straight from the vine. When it comes to harvesting, timing is key. Aim to pick your veggies when they're at their peak ripeness for the best flavor and nutritional value. And remember, harvesting regularly encourages more production, so don't be shy about snipping those greens. Now, let's talk about giving your plants some breathing room. Proper spacing is essential for ensuring each plant has access to sunlight, water, and nutrients. Overcrowding can lead to competition and stunted growth, so be sure to follow spacing guidelines provided on seed packets or plant labels. Your plants will thank you with robust growth and abundant yields. Pests and diseases, the not-so-glamorous side of gardening. But fear not, my friends, for there are plenty of natural solutions to keep your garden healthy and thriving. Consider planting pest-repelling herbs like mint or lavender, or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and praying mantises to help keep pest populations in check. And don't forget to regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Catching issues early can make all the difference in preserving your harvest. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about mulch, nature's secret weapon for a healthy garden. Mulch not only helps retain moisture in the soil, preventing evaporation and reducing the need for frequent watering, but it also suppresses weeds and regulates soil temperature. Plus, as it breaks down, mulch adds valuable organic matter to the soil, enriching its fertility over time. So go ahead, mulch it up. Your plants will thank you for the extra love and care. Well, my fellow gardening enthusiasts, that concludes our journey through the realm of backyard bounty. I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to cultivate your own flourishing garden paradise. Remember, gardening is not just about growing food. It's about nurturing life and connecting with nature in a meaningful way. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and let's grow something beautiful together. Until next time, happy gardening!